Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to print multiplication table using loops. Okay, so for that you have to include the header files #include stdio.h. Okay, so next one is you have to include another header file, that is conio.h. Okay, now coming to main function. So within the main function I am taking two variables, I comma num, another variable num. Okay, now see, so I am asking the user to enter the number at runtime during execution time, for which number he or she wants to find the multiplication table. Okay, so that number you can read during runtime, you can enter during runtime. Okay, by using scanf function you can enter the number. Okay, so for which number you want to print the multiplication table, that number you can enter during runtime. Okay, now coming to for loop. So the syntax for loop is initialization. So here I am initializing my I variable to 1. Okay, I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, initialization, condition checking and incrementation. Next, here I am using printf statement. Okay, see here /n %d into %d equals to %d. As it is the multiplication table, you should get like this format. Suppose if it is 2 into 1 equals to 2, right? So that's why here I have printed the format specifiers in this format. Okay, so here first of all, if it is if I want to print the multiplication table for 2, so 2 I want to get first, 2 into 1. So 2 means the number, num variable. 1 means here I variable, right? It equals to 2 into 1. So that is num into I. So this is the format I have to get the output. Okay, so get ch, return 0, close the brace. So this is my program. So see here, let me first save this program, save as multi.c. Okay, so this is my file name multi.c, as it is multiplication table. So here see, once again I am explaining this program. So within the main function, here I have taken two variables. So this I variable I have used within the for loop, and num is the variable for which number you want to print the multiplication table. Okay, so that number user can read during runtime by using scanf function. Okay, so the user can enter for which number he or she wants to print the multiplication table on the output screen. Okay, so here for I equals to 1, this is initialization, I is less than or equal to 10, condition checking, I plus plus. So here, as it is a multiplication table, I have to get like 2 into 1 equals to 2, right? So 2 means, suppose if I enter 2, so num is 2. 1 means here I is initialized to 1, right? So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is nothing but num into I, right? So similarly, again I gets 2, I equal to I plus 1. That is, I now is initialized with a 2. Again it will check for the condition, is 2 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Again it comes to the printf statement. So 2 into 2, now I is 2. So 2 into 2 is 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2 equals to 4. This is the printf format. That is, you will get the formatted output like this. As here I and num both are int variables, here I am using format specifiers %d. Okay, here /n means it is a new line. After printing this line 2 into 1 equals to 2, again the cursor comes to the new line and again it will print 2 into 2 equals to 4, like that. Okay, so let me compile this program. So no errors. Let me run this code. So see here, if I enter the number 5, that means on the output screen I will get the multiplication table for 5. So see here, 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15, 5 4 let me compile this code. See, no errors. Now let me run the code. So here suppose if you enter the value 4, okay, that means 4 table will be printed on the output screen. So see here 4 table is printed on the output screen, right? Similarly, suppose here if I use a clear screen CLR SCR, okay, CLR SCR function if I include here, okay, now save, compile the code again, okay, now run the code. So see here the screen is you got a cleared screen. Now suppose if you give 3, okay, 3 table is printed on the output screen. So like this we can print multiplication tables using for loops, okay, not only for loop, using any loop you can print the multiplication table, okay. So here I have showed using for loop how to print the multiplication table. In this video I have shown how to print a multiplication table using for loop, okay. Thank you.